Good morning, students. How are you? Today I am starting new chapter, direct and inverse variation. What do you mean by direct variation and what do you mean by inverse variation? There are two type of variation. One is direct variation and second is inverse variation. First of all, I clear you direct variation. What do you mean by direct? If there are two quantity, x and y, if x increase, then y also increase. Like if we compare two quantity x and y, there are you have two quantity x and y, and if x increase, then y also increase, and if x decrease, then y also decrease. Then that is called direct variation. I am giving one example for to clear this direct variation. You listen very carefully what I am saying. If this is x and this is y, if x increase, then y also increase. If x decrease, then y also decrease. That is called direct variation. I am giving one example. This is our example. Cost of 5 pen is rupees 50. What is the cost of 10 pen? Here are two things, पेन and rupees. 5 पेन 50 रुपए के, तो 10 पेन कितने के होंगे? तो cost of 5 pen is 50 rupees. It means the cost of 10 pen more than 50. 5 pen increase. First 5 pen, now 10 pen. A cost of 5 pen is 50 rupees. First amount is 50, then cost of 10 pen is more than 50. तो 5 पेन से 10 पेन हुए तो 50 से ज्यादा होगा. तो हाउ आई दिस? लुक हियर. पेन cost of 5 pen is 50 rupees. And what is the cost of 10 pen? 5 से 10 हुआ तो 50 से ज्यादा होगा. So that is called direct variation. In this example, this is the example how I am solving. जिस साइड x होता है उस साइड एरो का साइन नीचे, एंड इन दिस केस हियर इज डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन, सो एरो का साइन नीचे. नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस. जिस साइड एरो होता है वो चीज ऊपर होती है. x अपॉन 50 इज इक्वल टू 10 अपॉन 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. After that 50 go that side, x is equal to 100 rupees. It means cost of 10 pen is equal to 100 rupees. 5 पेन से 10 पेन हुआ तो कॉस्ट भी बढ़ गई, 50 से 100 हो गया. That is called direct variation. This question I solved by this method, but you can solve this question by this method also. Which method you like, you can do in your fair copy. Cost of 5 pen is rupees 50. Cost of, first of all I find one pen cost. Cost of 1 pen is equal to 50 upon 5 is equal to 10 rupees. And cost of 10 pen is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, understand you direct variation? This is called the direct variation. I am telling again, if there are two quantity, if we are comparing two quantity x and y like this, pen and rupees, this is pen and this is rupees. If pen increase, then amount also increase. If pen decrease, then amount also decrease. That is called direct variation. एक चीज के बढ़ने पर दूसरी चीज भी बढ़ती है, या एक चीज के घटने पर दूसरी चीज भी घटती है. That is called direct variation. Stop. Telling to you inverse variation. This inverse variation, I am telling to inverse variation. In this case also there are two quantities x and y. X and y. If x increase, then y decrease. अगर ये बढ़ता है तो ये घट जाता है. If x decrease, then y decrease. अगर ये घटता है तो ये बढ़ जाता है. That is called inverse variation. Now I am showing one example, then you clear inverse variation. You don't worry, I am clearing. Suppose 5 men can do a work in 60, 5 आदमी किसी काम को 6 दिन में करते हैं। टेल मी इन हाउ मैनी डेज 10 मैन कंप्लीट द सेम वर्क। हमें बताइए कि 10 आदमी उसी काम को कितने दिन में करेंगे। दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन। कि 5 आदमी किसी काम को 6 दिन में करते हैं, तो 10 आदमी उसी काम को कितने डेज में करेंगे। दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन। Now I am solving this. There are two quantities, men and days. Men and days. 5 आदमी किसी काम को 6 दिन में करते हैं. 5 men can do a work in 6 days. And tell me 10 men in how many days that work complete. Let here X. Arrow का sign नीचे. Because I tell in your direct variation that वेर इज एक्स, जहाँ एक्स होता है वहाँ एरो का साइन नीचे. बट इन दिस केस यू यूज योर माइंड कि 5 आदमी किसी काम को 6 दिन में करेंगे, तो 10 आदमी उसी काम को जल्दी करेंगे कि या देर से करेंगे. मोटी सी बात है कि 5 आदमी 6 दिन में करते हैं तो 10 आदमी जल्दी करेंगे. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड इनवर्स वेरिएशन बिकॉज इट इंक्रीज. 5 पहले 5 आदमी थे, अब 10 हुए. बट हियर डेज आर डिक्रीज. पहले 5 मैन 6 डेज में करते थे, तो 5 मैन कैन डू ए वर्क इन 6 डेज एंड 10 मैन कैन डू ए वर्क इन हाउ मैनी डेज. नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग. इन दिस केस देयर इज इनवर्स वेरिएशन. दिस साइन इज गो दैट अप साइड. नाउ आई एम सॉल्विंग. x upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 10 because I tell in you previous question कि जिधर एरोस होता है वो चीज ऊपर. तो x upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 10. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 6 go that side. X is equal to 1 upon 2 into 6. 2 cut by 6. Our answer come 3 days. It means 10 men can do that work in 3 days. 10 men can do work in 3 days. 10 आदमी उसी काम को 3 दिन में करेंगे. तो मैन इंक्रीज हुए थे, 5 से 10 हुआ, but they are decreased. That is called your direct variation. This question you also solve by second method. Here are second method. 5 men can do a job is equal to 6 days. 5 आदमी किसी काम को 6 दिन में करते हैं, तो 1 man can do a job is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30 days. And we have to calculate 10 men. So 10 men can do a job is equal to. Now come to the exercise of direct and inverse variation. This is our book. This is our exercise. Direct and inverse variation. First question. Now I am writing. I have write first question on the blackboard. Now you see on the blackboard. A dozen notebook cost rupees 186. First part is asking what is the cost of 8 such book. And in second part, how many notebook will cost rupees 356.50. In this question, he asked two things. और दिया गया है, गिवन क्या है, ए डजन नोटबुक यानी 12 नोटबुक का कॉस्ट 186 है, तो 8 बुक का कॉस्ट क्या होगा. फर्स्ट पार्ट. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट आई एम सॉल्विंग. दिस इज बुक एंड दिस इज कॉस्ट. कॉस्ट ऑफ 12 बुक इज 186 and we have to find the cost of 8 such book. Then here I write x. Arrow ka sign here niche, because in this case there is direct variation, so both sign are in same direction. x वाली तरफ तो हमेशा x नीचे रहता है, but here we have to decide that direct variation or inverse variation. In case of direct variation ये एरो का साइन नीचे आएगा. Now I am solving this. Now I am solving this. तो x upon 186 is equal to 8 upon 12. 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12. 186 go that side. X is equal to 2 upon 3 into 186 is equal to 124 rupees. After cutting, we find that the cost of 8 book is 124 rupees. Now in second part, what he is asking, how many notebooks, कितनी नोटबुक आएंगी इतने रुपए में. In rupees 356.50, how many books I have purchased, I can purchase. Second part, here rupees, here I write books. In 186 rupees we can purchase 12 because given 186 means 12 notebook. So here 186 in 186 rupees we can purchase 12 books. तो in 356.50 रुपीज़ में हम कितनी किताबें खरीदेंगे. देयर इज एक्स, एरो का साइन नीचे, एरो का साइन नीचे, बिकॉज अमाउंट 186 तो बी परचेज 12 बुक, अमाउंट मोर देन 186 तो बी कैन परचेज मोर देन 12 बुक्स. सो हियर डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. नाउ सॉल्विंग एक्स अपॉन 12 इज इक्वल टू 356.50 upon 186. After cut bit, b cut by 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 3 is 6, and after cutting 2, 178.25. Now 12 go that side. After cutting fitting, our answer come 23.00 books. Means our answer come 23 books. 23 books. That is final answer. In that, in rupees 356.50 we can purchase 23 books. Now come to the second question. I am reading second question. A person earned rupees itna 5100 in 3 weeks. First part, what is asking, how long will it take him to earn rupees 6800 in first part. In second part, how much does he earn in 5 weeks. Now I am solving first part. What he asked, what is the meaning of this question. एक आदमी इतना रुपया 3 वीक्स में कमाता है तो इतना रुपया कितने वीक में कमाएगा. तो रुपीज़ एंड वीक्स, 5100 रुपीज़ 3 वीक्स में कमाता है तो 6800 रुपीज़ इन हाउ मैनी वीक्स. तो हियर बी राइट एक्स. नाउ एरो का साइन हियर. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस आवर आंसर कम 4 वीक. कि इतना रुपया 6800 रुपीज़, he earned 6800 rupees in 4 weeks. Here also direct variation. And second part, how much does he earn in 5 weeks. 5 weeks में कितना कमाएगा. Now I am solving it. Weeks rupees, 3 weeks में इतना रुपया, क्योंकि दिया है फर्स्ट में 3 weeks में इतना रुपया. तो 5 weeks. Now in 5 weeks how much rupees, x rupees. एरो का साइन नीचे, एरो का साइन नीचे, बिकॉज इन दिस केस देयर आर डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन. So both arrow sign downwards. After solving this, x upon 5100 is equal to 5 upon 3. 5100 go that side, and after solving this, our answer come 8500 rupees. It means in 5 weeks a man earned 8500 rupees. Stop.